The world of drones is moving faster than ever, and DJI is once again at the center of attention. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting drone battles of the year, the DJI NEO versus the brand new DJI NEO 2. Drone enthusiasts, photographers, and content creators everywhere are asking the same questions. What's new? What's improved? And is the NEO 2 really worth upgrading from the original NEO? The competition in the compact drone market is fierce, and DJI has built its reputation on delivering some of the most advanced, reliable, and user-friendly drones on the market. With the NEO 2 now officially unveiled, we're going to break down every single detail: design, build quality, flight stability, camera performance, flight time, safety features, intelligent modes, and overall value, to see if this truly is the next big step in DJI's evolution. So if you're thinking of buying your very first DJI drone, upgrading from the NEO, or simply curious about how the latest technology stacks up, this in-depth review will help you decide. Let's dive straight into the ultimate showdown. DJI NEO versus DJI NEO 2. Design and build. Quality. The original DJI NEO was designed for portability, making it a favorite among casual flyers and travelers. Its lightweight, foldable arms and compact body made it easy to slip into a backpack, and it had a sleek, modern look. But the DJI NEO 2 takes things to another level. With upgraded materials and an enhanced aerodynamic design, it feels sturdier in the hand while still maintaining its ultra-portable nature. DJI also reinforced the arms for improved durability and added redesigned landing gear to better handle rough surfaces. This makes it more reliable for outdoor adventures where uneven terrain can pose risks. The build quality feels more premium, with smoother folding mechanisms and a tighter overall design. While both drones stick to DJI's classic foldable form factor, the NEO 2 clearly edges ahead with its attention to detail and robustness. Verdict: if durability, design refinement, and peace of mind matter to you, the NEO 2 is a clear upgrade. Camera performance: cameras are at the heart of drones, and this is where DJI has truly pushed boundaries with the NEO 2. The DJI NEO already delivered great results with its 4K sensor, decent dynamic range, and accurate colors, making it perfect for hobbyists and even entry-level content creators. The NEO 2, however, raises the bar with a larger sensor capable of 5.4K video recording. This means sharper footage, improved detail, and much more flexibility when editing. The upgraded aperture allows for better low-light performance, making sunrise, sunset, or nighttime shots more vibrant and noise-free. On top of that, DJI included a new image processing engine that produces more natural colors, improved contrast, and enhanced sharpness. For photographers, the NEO 2 supports higher resolution still images, raw shooting, and faster burst modes, making it ideal for action shots or professional content creation. If you're serious about capturing cinematic footage or professional-grade photography, the NEO 2 isn't just a minor step, it's a leap forward. Release date and availability: DJI typically sticks to predictable product cycles, and the NEO 2 has followed that trend. The official release is expected around late September 2025, with pre-orders starting soon after teasers in August. Global shipments are projected for early October 2025, ensuring drone enthusiasts get their hands on it just in time for the holiday season. Availability might vary depending on your region, but DJI usually ensures worldwide access quickly, especially for flagship releases like this one. Flight stability and range: one of the strongest features of the original NEO was its solid flight stability, even in moderate winds. Its transmission range was more than enough for casual users, offering smooth flights and steady hover capabilities. But the NEO 2 takes stability to new heights. With upgraded motors and an improved propeller system, it handles windy conditions much better. The hover feels rock solid, even when the environment gets challenging. The NEO 2 also boasts a new transmission protocol that not only extends its maximum range, but also reduces latency in the live video feed. This is a huge win for drone pilots who rely on real-time visuals when capturing footage in complex environments. Whether you're flying in open countryside or crowded urban settings with interference, the NEO 2 offers a much smoother and more reliable flight experience. Battery life and charging: battery performance is one of the most important aspects of drones, and DJI has delivered a meaningful upgrade here. The original NEO offered around 28 minutes of flight time, which was solid for its class. The NEO 2 pushes this further to around 34 minutes per charge, thanks to a higher density battery and smarter power management systems. On top of that, DJI has added fast USB-C charging support, cutting down the time you'll spend waiting between flights. For professionals or creators working on projects, this makes a big difference. You'll spend more time flying and less time worrying about swapping out batteries. Safety and obstacle avoidance. Safety is one area where DJI consistently excels, and the NEO 2 continues this tradition. The original NEO had basic forward and downward sensors to avoid obstacles. This worked fine for simple environments, but it was limited in more complex settings. The NEO 2, on the other hand, expands the suite to include rear and side sensors, effectively surrounding the drone with a 360-degree safety shield. Thanks to improved algorithms, it can now detect and avoid obstacles more intelligently, even when flying at higher speeds. This is especially helpful for beginners, ensuring smoother and safer flights. But even advanced pilots will appreciate the added protection in environments like forests, city streets, or construction zones. Intelligent features and flight modes. Both drones come equipped with DJI's standard suite of smart modes: follow, me, waypoints, orbit shots, and more. But the NEO 2 introduces upgraded intelligent features, such as improved subject tracking with smarter AI prediction, a brand new cinematic mode that smooths out your controls for buttery footage, advanced programmable routes with obstacle logic, making it easier to capture repeatable tracking shots. For content creators, these additions mean more creative possibilities and higher quality footage without needing complex manual control. Pricing and value. The DJI NEO was praised for offering premium features at a competitive price, making it a great entry point for drone enthusiasts. The NEO 2 is expected to launch at a higher price point, but this makes sense given the upgrades: better camera, extended battery life, enhanced obstacle avoidance, and more advanced flight modes. If budget is your main concern and you just want a solid beginner-friendly drone, the NEO is still a great option. But for those looking to future-proof their investment, the NEO 2 provides significant long-term value, especially for content creation and professional use. Conclusion. When comparing the DJI NEO and the DJI NEO 2, one thing becomes crystal clear. DJI isn't just adding small changes. They've carefully listened to user feedback and delivered a drone that improves on nearly every aspect of the original: design and build quality, more durable and refined, camera performance, bigger sensor, 5.4K video, better low light, professional stills, flight stability and range, stronger motors, smoother performance, reduced latency. Battery life, extended to 34 minutes with faster charging. Safety, 360-degree. Obstacle avoidance for peace of mind. Intelligent modes, smarter tracking and cinematic tools. The original NEO still holds its place as a reliable and affordable option for beginners and casual pilots. But for those who demand more professional results, longer flights, and cutting-edge features, the DJI NEO 2 is undoubtedly the superior choice. DJI has once again proven why they dominate the drone industry, setting the benchmark for compact, powerful, and intelligent aerial technology. That wraps up today's ultimate showdown between the DJI NEO and DJI NEO 2. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, drone news, and comparisons right here on Techno Trend Zone. Stay tuned, because we'll be covering even more upcoming DJI releases, tips for beginner drone pilots, and advanced guides to help you get the most out of your gear. Until next time, keep flying, keep creating, and keep exploring the skies with DJI.